Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to turn on YouTube watch history. Why would you want to know how to turn on YouTube watch history? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to turn on YouTube watch history. So today I am going to show you how to turn on YouTube watch history. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning on YouTube watch history is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Click on logo at the top right corner. Now here you are seeing your data in YouTube. Click on it. Scroll down. Now you are seeing YouTube watch history. Click on arrow in front of off. Scroll down and click on turn on. Click on turn on. Click on got it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on YouTube watch history, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.